Hi everybody, this is my first and maybe only, I don't know yet, Barbie Dream Besties, a new line of Barbie dolls, and I think she's so cute. She's really cute, and I like the packaging, I like the accessories, but we'll see. They're not yet to be found in stores here, but I ordered her from an online store, so let's see what I think about her. She's very cute. She's very cute. I try to think of some kind of doll line she resembles, but resembles me over but I really can't at the time. And I really love the accessories. Look at that bag. Wow, that's a really good Barbie bag. So, and they're supposed to be, I think there are 4 dolls, and I have seen them all, and they look really cute. And watch it on YouTube Kids. Okay, there is a YouTube Kids show. I had to see it. If it's cool. I really love the old Barbie Live in the Dream House, but I really didn't like the new ones. I like the old ones from like 2013, 14. It was so fun with Barbie Raquel and all. Hi, I'm Barbie, owning a makeup company. Favorite activities: crafting and camping. Favorite class: chemistry. Favorite color: pink. Must have my clutch. Okay. Hi, ich bin Barbie. Traum, ein Make-up-Unternehmen zu besitzen. Okay. No, I won't read in all languages. I didn't know there was like a series. Okay, I'll look into that. She's really cute. Okay. Okay. So let's open this beauty. It's a very cute package. I sometimes make like small frames and things for my doll room with some of the packages. I can show you someday. Okay. I like this. She's okay. Okay, let's not cut the hair off, please. Okay. Okay, so let's see. She has a very cute, a very kind face, and I like the body is like I like the proportions. She doesn't she's not too thin or like very plump, but she's like but she has like normal proportions. She has smaller chest than the Barbie dolls. She has this really cute sweet teen look to her, and the clothes seem very nice. Jeans shorts, like, and they look like they have like a different pattern. It's not real jeans, but it's like they feel almost like they could be real jeans, so it's not sloppy made. I don't really know about the mirror. They haven't made like the real mirror kind of. That's but it maybe goes with the cartoonish look, and so maybe that's what they've been thinking. I'm not sure about why she has gloves on her, because I thought she was supposed to be like a like a high school girl or something, middle school, high school girl. But well, they're cute, but still. This will be easy to brush out if you want to, but I'm not sure I want to because it looks good. And hair is thick. It reminds me of the Totally Hair dolls. Look, her head is like almost falling back because it's a bit heavy, but like the old days. Okay, let's see the accessories. I really like the packaging. It was a bit easier to open than any other, but also it wasn't confusing, and you don't have to ruin everything. If you want to make something of the packages later, or also quite easy to separate the plastic from the paper when you want to recycle. Okay, it's very pretty, and let's see. It's my dog making noises. Yes, is I guess a phone, or it says Barbie call. Okay, it's a simple mobile phone. Hey Lucas, it's my dog looking up. Hey Lucas, gå och lägga dig. Så, gå och lägg dig Lucas. Gå och lägg dig. I'm trying to get him to go to sleep again. It's lipstick. And this one I looked forward to. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful clutch, glittery. It's open. You can open it. That's great. Love it. You can keep maybe the lipstick in it or something. That's great. It's really great when they put some effort to things. And they know I love Mattel, but it's really great when they put effort to things. Wow, there's even there's even a lid for the lipstick. That is great. Wow, I'm impressed with this. That's great. I really like that. It's like a real looking lipstick case, and you can put it in the handbag. That is great. Or almost not. It's a bit too big. Oh God, I didn't break it, did I? No. Oh, I didn't break it, thank God. Oh, I didn't break it, but oh my God. Be careful, okay? It's a powder puff, I guess. And it's a hair dryer, and it's really cute. I guess in the series she wants to be what's it called, makeup artist or something. And this is it's like what, a bigger phone? Huh, okay. I haven't seen the series, I had to look what that's about. A kind of retro phone, I'm not sure. And this is what is this then? Is it is it makeup? Like a makeup. Oh, that's cute. It also was very, very nice design to it. So okay, I'll see what's behind this. Her arms are a bit thicker than usual skinny Barbie. Her hands are a bit rubbery, a bit bigger arms, and that is great. Really goes with the doll and those aesthetics. So she's really cute. And okay, I will look how she looks on top. Like this genuine Barbie 2023 Indonesia. Her chest is a bit smaller than many Barbie dolls, and it fits her. Looks good because she's like supposed to be, I guess, a bit younger teen. Okay, but she has like Barbie panties on. That's good. It's good. Okay. Behind is a bit different. Well, Well, I really like this one. She could have had a brush with her. Where is the brush? I would like the brush. The dolls don't have brushes with them anymore. That's a bit sad because I have like a big case with just old brushes from the 80s, and I really love those brushes. They're so, they're so like cute. I really like those old brushes, and some you can even brush your own hair with because they are good. They're good brushes, you know. I have to get this all the way. Okay. But since she's supposed to be like a doll who likes fashion and such, so she should have like brushes and everything. Yeah, and I won't post them maybe on the same day, but I just opened this also. So like how does she work with it? Oh, it looks good inside. To a big doll house. She's really cute. She's really cute. Really cute. I will, if I can find the other end of the shoes. She has high heels. I wonder if the other dolls have high heels, or if it's just Barbie, because she's like a girly pop. I don't know. So now shoes are like soft, won't break as you see. Great, and the legs, they look good. It's a really good doll. It feels like it's good quality on it, and I'm happy with her. I'm happy with her. If I find some of the other Barbie, what was it called, Barbie Dream Besties, if I find more of them to a good price, I will get them also. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and if you are into doll collecting, toy collecting, especially Barbie, and I also have another interests like the Caillou universe and such, but please like, subscribe. You don't have to watch all the videos and all the topics, of course. I don't expect that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.